The sound of this letter is P, 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 capital P, small p. To make the sound of this letter, you must put your lips together and puff in air like a small explosion. Let's practice a bit and say the word with me. Ready? Let's do it together. P, 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 P. P is for pineapple. P is for popcorn. P is for pin. P is for piglet. P is for pencil. P is for panda. P, P, P is for pencil case. Let's practice which word has a different sound. Ready? Pay attention. P, P, two, two. Those two start with P, P, two? No, cross out. P, P, telephone, telephone. Those telephone start with P, P, telephone? No, cross out. P, P, pencil, pencil. Those pencil start with P, P, pencil? Yes! P, P, ten, ten. Those ten start with P, P, pen? No, cross out. P, P, panda, panda. Those panda start with P, 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 panda? Yes, great! P, P, pencil case, pencil case. Those pencil case start with P, 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 pencil case? Yes, very good. P, 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 capital P, small p, P, P.